We will now adjust the cylinder here on top of the crankcase. So I will select it, go to IntelliShape level, and I will grab this handle to adjust the thickness. And I will drop it there, type 4 millimeters, and this will be the mounting flange of the cylinder. And then I will adjust the diameter. We know that when we grab this handle and left drag, we can make rough adjustments of the diameter, but if we press and hold the control key while dragging, it will snap in increments of 0.5 millimeters. So if I drop it there and right click, we have change snap increments here. So I will click here, and here we see that the default setting is 0.5. So I will change that to 2 millimeters and click OK. Then I will left drag the handle and press and hold the control key while dragging. We see now that it will snap in increments of 2 millimeters. And I will change the diameter to 64, like so. So now we have the right diameter of the mounting flange. Then we need some cooling fins. So I will come over here to left drag a cylinder, drop it here in the center, and we'll also change the thickness to 3 millimeters. And the diameter will be 50 millimeters. So I will left drag the handle, press and hold the control key to snap to 50 millimeters. Then we need 3 more cooling fins. So we will turn on the tribal, and first we will move this cooling fin up a bit. So I will drag it upward, drop it there, and type 6 millimeters. And then we'll need 3 more. So I will right drag this handle, right drag, and I will drop it there, and I will link. And here we need 3 more. And the distance, well, the distance between the cooling fins will be 3 millimeters, and the thickness of a cooling fin is 3 millimeters. So together it will be 6 millimeters. I will type 6. And I will click OK, and now we have the cooling fins. Then I turn off the tribal. Next step is to add material between the cooling fins and to the mounting flange. So I will grab another cylinder, left drag, drop it here in the center, and I will grab this lower height handle, use the shift key to snap to the top of the mounting flange, and I will grab this handle and snap to the top of this cooling fin. So now we have the material between the cooling fins. But we need also to cut a hole through the whole cylinder. So I will use a cut cylinder and drop it here in the center, change the diameter to 29, and I will also grab this lower height handle, use the shift key to snap to the bottom of the cylinder, so that I will cut a hole through the whole cylinder. So now we have cut the hole and added the cooling fins. So I will use the I key, the top front right, and D key. Now we will save this scene, and we will continue in the next video.